Right, I got a couple chargers here. This is the one I've been using for a few years. It's the DCB 107. It's a pretty slow charger at 1.25 amps, but I've got a few batteries and I never need to charge them all that quickly, so this has been fine for me. I recently picked up some broken FlexBolt tools and batteries, which I'm in the process of fixing. That'll be another video. But I thought it'd be worth getting something a little bit quicker because they are larger batteries. So this one's got an output of 4 amps. I picked this up faulty, so I paid a couple quid for this. This is the DCB 115, and the trouble with it is it isn't charging batteries, which is a pretty important feature when it comes to battery chargers. It's saying that this battery is currently full, so it's not charging it. It's not a problem with the battery. Tried a few on there. As you can see, it's charging fine on the old one. There's something going wrong here, so we're going to open this up and see if we can't fix it. I'll just check this before we get started. Yeah, it's saying it's full when it's not. Okay. See if we can see anything strange. Capacitors look okay. Doesn't look like there's any bulges, anything obvious. Let's have a closer look here. Now these all look okay. But I can't see anything else on the board, so if you're ever wondering what a shitty solder job looks like, there you go. Right, moment of truth before we get the screws back in. Let's see if we fixed it. Lovely. Looks to be charging. Let's try another battery, see if it... Yeah, looks like we fixed it. So it was just the just these connectors, a little bit loose. Not bad for 10 minutes and a couple of quid. Now that that's sorted, we can get these batteries fixed. That'll be another video.